20 years ago today, at this very minute, much of western Pennsylvania was underwater. Entire towns flooded by the remnants of Hurricane Ivan.
Yeah, Ivan caused damage all over the place, but really hit the towns of Carnegie, Etna, Milville, and Sharpsburg especially hard. The damage was so bad that President Bush paid a visit in the wake of the storm to see the devastation firsthand and to offer help from the federal government.
KDKA First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright looks back at Ivan's path of destruction.
This month marks 20 years since Hurricane Ivan hit the U.S. and caused a lot of damage here in western Pennsylvania. It actually began as a tropical wave near Cape Verde before undergoing several cycles of intensification along its westward path toward the Greater Antilles. Ivan strengthened 3 times to a Category 5 on its journey through the Caribbean toward the U.S. It eventually made landfall here just after midnight on September 16th, west of Gulf Shores, Alabama, as a Category 3 hurricane and weakened due to dry air, strong wind shear, and cooler waters. Even after making landfall, Ivan's impacts extended well beyond the center of the storm. Ivan produced major storm surge flooding along the Alabama and Florida Gulf Coast, heavy rain from the Gulf Coast to New England, and an outbreak of 117 tornadoes, 9 of which occurred in Pennsylvania. The greatest impacts here and in neighboring West Virginia were from inland flooding due to heavy rain. Ivan's remnant moisture met up with a cold front moving east from the Midwest, which led to heavy rain from Friday, September 17th to Saturday, September 18th. In Pittsburgh, 5.95 inches of rain fell from the 17th to the 18th, which is the most amount of rain associated with tropical cyclone remnants on record. On top of that, this heavy amount of rain came just a couple of weeks after the remnants of Hurricane Francis brought 3.83 inches of rain to the city. One of the hardest hit communities in the Pittsburgh area was Milville, as Gertie's Run spilled out of its banks and crested 3 feet above major flood stage. This is a USGS stream gauging station set up here at Gertie's Run above Grant Avenue in Milville to monitor water levels at the creek. At 11 feet, flood stage is reached. At 16.8 feet, water reaches the top of the concrete wall. At 18 feet, water pours into the surrounding parking lot. And during Hurricane Ivan, water reached an astounding 21 feet, leading to disaster in this town. When all was said and done, Hurricane Ivan caused 6 deaths in Pennsylvania and caused $85 million in damage statewide. And in West Virginia, mudslides and flooding from Ivan blocked more than 200 roads, causing $16 million in damage. In Milville, I'm KDKA First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright.